This might blow your mind. You can make your carrots taste like bacon. Crispy, smoky, and unbelievably crunchy, I'm told. Amy Roskelley joining me in the kitchen to share the recipe. This better not be a trick.
This is no trick.
Okay.
This is carrot bacon.
Carrot bacon.
Yes.
And it really tastes like?
Well, it has the flavors of bacon, and
Okay.
it has the crisp like bacon.
Okay.
So I think it's delicious.
Okay.
I mean, if you're gonna give it to a carnivore, they might not agree, but a vegan would.
Healthier version then.
Healthier version, cheaper.
Cheaper, for sure.
Yes.
Show us how to make this, Miss Amy.
Okay, so I just have to start with, this was a viral TikTok video by the Tabitha Brown. She's a vegan baker, and she did it like 3 or 4 years ago, but millions of people have seen it and redone it.
Okay.
So there's a lot of them out there on TikTok. They're all a little bit different. So this is what I like the best. Okay, so I get a little bit of soy sauce. This gets, we're making a bowl of marinade.
Okay.
So we're starting with soy sauce, a little liquid smoke, which gives it the bacony flavor.
Got it. I was gonna ask how we did that. There we go.
Liquid smoke, and then some real maple syrup.
The real stuff.
Yes, because, you know, sweet maple hickory bacon
real is better.
What we're going for.
Real is better. Got it.
Yes. And then there's some flavors. There is a blend I saw from McCormick that has these same 3, but it's garlic powder, onion salt, and paprika.
Okay, so there's some flavor going on.
Yeah,
I will
it's
say
nice
I made
flavor.
roasted carrots for the first time this Easter, and
Did
they
you
were
like it?
devoured. I think carrots
good.
sometimes are so simple we overlook.
I
So I'm not
agree.
criticizing here. It's the bacon part that's throwing me. This is our marinade.
This is the marinade.
Okay.
So we're gonna mix that up a little bit. Okay, and then the fun part, which your kids could get involved with, is we are gonna make thin slices with a vegetable peeler.
Okay.
And the bigger carrot you can find, the better.
Okay.
So I had to get these fat carrots. If you get a bag of carrots, sometimes they're not fat enough, you know?
I can smell this all of a sudden.
Yeah. So you smell the hickory probably, or the liquid smoke.
Yes, ma'am.
So we're gonna make, you know, some strips, and then we're gonna let that marinate for like 5 to 15 minutes.
Okay, and then what?
Then you can do 2 ways to cook it. Air fryer or the oven.
Okay.
Now the air fryer is finicky, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
So it can go from perfect to burnt in like 2 seconds, and you won't know what hit you.
Okay.
So for me, my air fryer, the perfect time was 390 degrees for 3.5 minutes.
I love the exactness of that recommendation.
I did it many, many times.
Thank you for that. In the oven, what are we going for?
In the oven, I like 375 for 6 minutes on one side. Don't eat that one.
Oh.
Those are from you. I made those yesterday.
All right, TV trick. TV trickery. At least she stopped me. Some guests don't.
Yes, yes. Try one of those. 6 minutes on one side, and then I like to flip it 6 minutes on the other.
I would snack this.
I would snack this.
I would.
I do snack this.
I would.
Yes.
Bacon, a bit of a stretch, but it's delicious.
It just has to look like bacon.
I got it.
And have the
snack this.
flavors of bacon and all this vitamin A. It's low in calories. So yeah, about 12 minutes if you're gonna do it in the oven.
Okay.
And then 3 minutes if you're gonna do it in the air fryer.
All right. I think my kids would like this too. A good little snackable for the summer munchies that we know will set in.
I think they would.
Yeah.
I think they would.
Thank you. Where can we get more recipes from you?
I am at healthbeat.org.
2 E's.
2 E's.
If I remember correctly.
Yes, like vegetable beet.
Health Beat. Play on words there. We'll link you from our website. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kind of a cool little TikTok trick.
Kind
that
of
we'll take
fun.
into our own kitchens now. Thank you very much.